How to make Google Meet link. Need to set up an online meeting fast? Let's make a Google Meet link in seconds. So, step one, open Google Meet on your browser or laptop, and then from here, select this new meeting button, and then from here, select start an instant meeting. And then at the bottom left of your screen, you'd basically find the Google Meet link that you have for this meeting. So simply copy this Meet link and then share it with your teammate, classmate, or family. Anyone with the link can join the Meet. And then you can also schedule a Meet link or Meet via Google Calendar. You can add guests, and Calendar automatically includes the Meet link. Making a Google Meet link is quick, flexible, and perfect for online collaboration.